Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change product quantity on checkout page using plugin in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and then you see we have two product quantity for this product, one product quantity for this product. So we are going to change it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Scroll down in search plugin, write change quantity checkout for WooCommerce. So this is plugin change quantity on checkout for WooCommerce we will use. So you will install now. Then click on activate it. So plugin is activated now. Go to checkout page and refresh the page. Scroll down, you see review and payment tab. So click on it. Now you see quantity changer. So we have two quantities for this product. So you can increase. Now you see. Now auto load and then you see subtotal 400. If you want you can decrease it. Now it's auto load and then you see price change. So just install plugin and you will increase or decrease quantity on checkout page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.